Hello everyone, welcome back to Designer Draft Journey. Today I am going to show you where a fashion design actually begins, and most people only see the final garments, but the real magic starts much earlier. So let's go to the very beginning, the inspiration. Every collection, every outfit, every detail starts with an idea and something that sparks creativity. It could be come from anywhere, like nature, architecture, history, colors, even a feeling. Basically, designers are storytellers, and inspiration is the first chapter of the story. Once the idea is clear, we convert that feeling into visual direction. This is where we create a mood board. It includes a color palette, textures and fabrics, silhouettes, prints and surface details. This board becomes a guideline for the entire design process, like a map that keeps creativity focused. Next we think about how the body will carry the idea. Do we want structure, silhouette, fluidity, like a comfort, a drama, minimal, detailed? Silhouette decides the personality of the garments, and that helps us move to the next step. Now the idea comes to paper, and we start sketching, exploring shapes, lines and proportions. Multiple sketches helps refine the thought until one final design represents the vision, and at this stage the design finally begins to look real. And this is just the beginning. From here we move to fabric selection, pattern making, garment development and more, and which I will be sharing step by step in upcoming videos. And if you want to learn the real fashion design process, hit subscribe and join the designer draft journey. Let's create fashion with purpose.